This TikTok shop made $2.7 million in the last 30 days, selling an automated solution that solves a smelly problem. And as a former project manager within digital marketing that's worked with a ton of different brands across a variety of different industries, here's 5 things that I noticed which they did perfectly. And if you're new here, my name is Victor. I use my experience as a marketing project manager to share what's working in e-commerce, AI, and affiliate marketing right now. So if that sounds like your vibe, there's a subscribe button somewhere on the screen. They are selling an expensive product for a platform like TikTok Shop. It's to $189. When the price is high, you don't need to sell as many units to make big money. For example, the profit that you get from this, someone that sells products that cost $17, they might have to sell 10 to get the same profit you get for a single product. The box looks fancy, right? It looks like a high-end product in itself. The presentation, the way it's done, I'm not entirely clear if this shop, Pet Pivot, if they actually make this product themselves or if they source it somewhere, but it does actually come across when you look at it as a high-end product. So this speaks to selecting the right products. It also means it just looks cool in videos. It's probably going to look a lot cooler than what a lot of pet owners are currently using. Not a sexy product, but knowing that you don't have to use your hands, gloves to pick that up, that there's an automated system you've got in place to do that. Again, something really attractive to pet owners, which there will be a lot of in the USA, where this version of data and this store is focusing on. If you are finding value, drop a like. The more people like these types of videos, the more people get to see it. I'd love for more sellers to see this video. Jumping straight into key takeaway number, creators did most of the selling for them. If we go onto the shop page on Kalo Data, if you look at that green strip, out of the 2.8 million they made, the majority of sales came from a TikTok shop affiliates, and there's a number of different reasons why this is working, which I'm going to circle back to as the video continues. So they don't just run ads, they worked with different creators who made short, realistic videos that are relatable. You can see here there's a bunch of different creators. You can also see how much revenue each of these content creators have brought in. We can see 516 creator videos that have been published. These people are motivated to make these videos because they make profit. If we scroll up to the top of this product detail page, the commission 10% per sale. If someone buys from your video as an affiliate, you get 10% of that. So you get $17, you might get $18, $19, as opposed to promoting something that costs less. They do also use Spark ads to boost their videos. This is a powerful concept. If I make a video about these AirPods, for example, and Apple sees that video on TikTok, I'm just genuinely talking about them, reviewing them, and they say, let me throw in 5-10 grand in ads for that initial push. So the algorithm on TikTok is like, this video is picking up. Allegedly, the algorithm doesn't care whether money has been spent to push the video or not. All the algorithm sees is people are engaging with it, more seeing it, commenting, liking, sharing. The algorithm is gonna push the video. The sky is the limit, and that's where sales come. We know that because a lot of these videos here on the product detail page, you can see an ad banner on each one. Now, let's talk about the ads. I used ChatGPT to estimate roughly how much they are spending on ads. This is just an estimate. I'm gonna quickly walk you through a rough idea of how much we are talking here. Put in a bunch of key data points there, and overall what ChatGPT came up with in terms of their average ad spend, and this is for this particular 30 days, by the way. So this is just not overall for lifetime, all their products. This is just how much they've spent to get this revenue of 2.7 million. The average spend was around $147,000. The estimated gross profit based on that is 123 to 168k before any overheads. I'm not entirely sure what that means here because their profit is higher than that, but I guess they're looking at the profit as in based on the views that you've paid for. How much money have you gotten that? And remember, there's a ton of other views that they received which they didn't pay for, led to a huge amount of the money that they brought in, a huge chunk of that 2.7 mil. The top video promoting this product received 41 million views. It brought in a total of $760,000 in revenue. This was this creator here. Pretty healthy conversion, 31% conversion there. The interesting thing is they didn't spend for all those views. They spent for initial views to boost in the algorithm. We can see here by this breakdown that ChatGPT has done. Ad view ratio is around 6%. So out of 41 2.7 million total views, only 2.5 were paid. The rest, 39 million, that was just organic. The TikTok algorithm boosted this organically after the strong CTR and engagement caused by initial ads in the first 3 to 4 days post-launch. Within that first week, paid kicked in. Organic took it to the next level because it was doing well. Paid, that's fine. Cost estimation, 2.5 million views, paid out of 41 million, $20,000 based on an CPM of $8. Data is showing $147,000 in ad spend, implying multiple videos. Yeah, so the $147,000, that will be for overall all these other videos that are promoting. So as you can see, it's not just this top creator. There's a bunch of different creators here, and a lot of them will have had ad spend behind their videos as well. So data saying overall, in order to get this 2.7 million, they spent 147,000. Profit estimation, we've got that there, and a bunch of other key detailed points, but I'm not going to bore you with all those now. If you'd like me to send these on email, let me know and I will drop that in the next newsletter. They used their own TikTok accounts. They didn't rely only on creators on their shop page. The affiliate route is working. They didn't just rest on their laurels. They moved on. They kind of trying different approaches at the same time, which is really, this helps test different ideas, funny videos, serious videos, demos, before and after clips, see what works for your products. Even if you're collaborating with creators, you can say, hey, we know this works, which is a good sandbox environment to test to promote your product. It's kept the brand active, seeing the comments and not staying too far away from the community that they are selling to, because they've got those accounts and they're able to run ads on their own page as well to do those little tests if they've got your own accounts. So keep having your own TikTok shop account, which is key here. Definitely worth focusing on, like they have. The fourth thing I want to hone in on is they focused on one main product. They have different products. Data's not showing me here because I'm using the free version, but the key thing is they're only focusing the majority of their resources on this product. They've sold over 16,000 units in 1 month. This made the store simple and unified the message from their affiliates and creators. Asking different people to sell 20 different things can cause headaches. Because they focused on a premium product, which is going to get them big profits, this also means smart planning. When you're making a decent chunk of profit, you're buying yourself time to grow and get better. After estimating the cost of the product, promotion, ads, content creators, and so forth, I went into ChatGPT to find out what suppliers potentially have this product available to resell. I'm not entirely sure if this particular company or business does the product themselves and they manufacture it themselves. But let's say you were looking for a supplier to drop ship it on Shopify, TikTok Shop, whatever. So looking at the rough cost of getting the product, at Alibaba, for example, it's anywhere from 114, 103, 97, 86. If I click here, you'll see what I'm talking about, straight into Alibaba. If you wanted to get it from there, I'm sure there's other suppliers that sell it as well. But there are other costs on top of buying the product. Even after all those, they still managed around 800,000 profit in 1 month out of that $2.7 million. The clever use of those Spark ads, meaning that a lot of those higher videos that they focused on did go viral. This means that they didn't have to spend much on ads. This speaks to TikTok Shop affiliates and the importance of high quality videos, which doesn't mean spending 20 hours creating a video. High quality can be a 10-minute video, a 5-minute video, a video that took you 30 seconds to make, a video where you don't speak, a video where you don't even show your face and just show the product. Focusing on can lead to shops like this giving your video some attention, ingesting initial ad push on it, and the video potentially going viral. The shop makes money, you make money. Instead of chasing small profits, they focused on one great product, smart ads, and strong creators. It paid off. On the screen will be a link to my newsletter, the Ecom Brief, where I share case studies like this. You'll also see a playlist where I dive deeper into TikTok Shop and TikTok Shop affiliate